Good morning. Yesterday night I cleaned up everything before I slept. So time to arrange it. Welcome back to my channel, Aparna's Home TV. Let's start this vlog by arranging our kitchen. I arranged everything. I love it when it's clean and I scrub 3 hours, it becomes like a new kitchen. Anyway, time right now is 8:07. Eggs are boiling for early morning snack. So this vlog is mostly about food because this is the weekend. You'll see 3 breakfast ideas, 2 lunch ideas and dinner idea, special dinner, dessert, everything. So keep watching. So let's go. And I'm also going to try 2 new recipes. I'll tell you whether they've worked or not, and if they work, they will be up on my blog. Before I make a video, I need to test it a few more times. So that's why they will be up on my blog first and then I'll test it again to see if they work the same time, second or third time, and on fourth time I'll make the video. So let's get this tea started. Dough is ready for making aloo paratha and my aloo masala is also ready. So let's complete our morning chores. By that time this will cool and we'll make our paratha. Making and frying the parathas. Aloo paratha recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below to try it and let me know how it turned out. Husband's favorite. I do make it quite often. So let's get this going. I'm getting ready to make my dessert. This is like macaron batter, quick and easy macaron batter, drying for the first time. So let's see how it works out, and if it works out, I'll share with you. Not so hard. After tasting, we need to see how that works out. My macarons are ready. Let's bake them and see how they will turn out, if it's a hit or a flop. So let's go. And while the macarons are baking, I'll wash the dishes and start on my chicken curry. So let's go. Macarons are out of the oven.
Yeah.
See how beautiful they are.
We
tasted one. It did taste good.
Is it?
Yes.
Or is it not? Was it?
How did it taste, Rohit? Okay. I got a 1 thumbs up.
Some that bent had an accident.
So it's a good recipe. I think I'll share it in the future. Chicken curry is ready for Friday night's dinner. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Time right now is 7 o'clock. Dinner is ready. I'm baking a bread. I'm trying a new bread recipe. It's a new no yeast bread recipe. I don't know how it turns out. I'm worried it's going to be our breakfast tomorrow. So let's see how it turns out. If it turns out good, I'll definitely share it. But if it flops, you won't probably hear about it in this video and then not here. But anyways, rice is done in an Instapot already, and I have to make the chapatis. Everything is ready. I still have to make chapatis. Once I clean up the kitchen too, everything is clean, neat and clean. So I have to upload a video tonight before I sleep. That's it for this Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. The moment of truth. It's slices bread. Looks okay. Let's hope it tastes okay. Breakfast. This is not good. Really not good. No. We'll never make it again. We'll not publish this recipe. But it's really bad. Like one of those recipes that flopped. This is one of it. So it will never make it to the outside world. Ready for the day. Time right now is 1:30. I don't know in the weekend where the time is. But anyway, I have to go outside and get some spring onions. So come with me. Let's go. It's cold. Just like too cold. Let's grab some spring onion for my snack and then we can go inside. Look how beautifully grown. There's so much spring onion in there. And weather is very bad. As you can see, everything dried up. Like literally dried up. See. Because of the cold. Let's crack some spring onion. Our snack is getting ready. It's rice flour crackers. We made it with rice. We make it with rice flour, and this recipe is already there in my YouTube channel in Telugu. If you want to try it out, link will be in the description box below. Let's go. My crackers are frying, and here is the finished one. Look how beautiful, and they're very very tasty. Do try it and let me know how that turned out, and do let me know if you make it or not. Good morning. Time right now is 6:50 on Sunday morning. Potatoes are boiling for potato masala for my dosa. Ingredients are ready to make peanut chutney for dosa. And for the first time ever, I fermented my batter, dosa batter in Instapot. Let's see how it turned out. I hope it turned out okay. Wow, super. It turned out good. It fermented. Wow, I never imagined like it will happen. Wow, I'm so excited. Did you ever try it? I'll just soon share how I fermented the batter. So let's get this day started. Peanut chutney recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. So let's get going. I want the breakfast to be ready before my family wakes up, so that's why I got up early. So let's complete our chores. Peanut chutney is ready. Dosa batter is ready. And potato fry is also ready. Yummy. And time right now is 8 o'clock. Let's wake them up for breakfast. I don't know if you can see, but the lake froze. Like it's literally that cold, probably 23 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll show you from upstairs. You can see clearly. So let's go. Can you see the ice on top of water? It literally froze. Wow, it's that cold. Sunrise is just coming up. You can see the sunrise. Let's go. Good morning. How are you on this Monday morning? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. Back to my routine after 2 days of break. I did my walking, but didn't do my exercise. I gave exercise a break for 2 days, but right now I'm back. So let's get this Monday going. How are you doing? And last week I lost 2 pounds. I'm super proud. How did you do last week? Share with me in the comment section below. So let's get this Monday going. Good morning. So time right now is 10:45. I'm ready for the day, as you can see. So let's get started with lunch. Today on the menu is carrot coconut curry and onion egg curry. So let's get started. Let's have lunch. More carrot and less egg because it's healthy. That should be good enough. And of course, egg curry recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you didn't get a chance to watch it, link will be in the description box below. So let's serve lunch. This is our lunch. Time right now is 4 o'clock. Finished the lunch, cleaned up the kitchen and taking a little break with my warm blanket and computer. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. And thank you. Bye.